The controversial remarks by Union Minister Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti continues to disrupt the parliament, with the opposition now demanding nothing less than the abusive minister's resignation. But with the government not ready to give in to the opposition's demand, there are more fireworks expected even in today's parliament session.
High decibel debate and united opposition cornering the government. Ruckus in both the houses of the parliament for the second straight day on Wednesday.
It's been 2 days since Sadhvi Jyoti's unparliamentary language and 2 days since the upper house of parliament functioned. The Rajya Sabha has been stalled repeatedly by a united opposition, the demands being the same, that the Prime Minister come, make a statement, sack Sadhvi Jyoti or Sadhvi Jyoti resign herself, or else the upper house of parliament is not going to function.
Opposition parties stalling Rajya Sabha proceedings, demanding the resignation of Sadhvi Niranjan and a statement from Prime Minister Modi, forcing the Speaker to adjourn the House.
इतनी गंभीर बात चल रही हो, प्रधानमंत्री सदन के अंदर नहीं आए, संविधान का अपमान हुआ है, सदन का अपमान हुआ है।
उपसभापति महोदय,
प्रधानमंत्री सदन को सूचना दें कि उन्होंने मंत्री को बर्खास्त किया है।
How can somebody who has violated the constitution remain a minister after taking oath on that very constitution?
Okay.
And that is the issue, sir. That question has not been answered. So that minister, that minister,
you made your point,
she does not have the right to remain a minister.
And the opposition ready with a strategy to corner the government for the third consecutive day, demanding nothing short of Sadhvi's resignation.
We are together on this. We demand the resignation of this minister. Otherwise, Rajya Sabha will not run.
There is no question of minister resigning at all. हर एक दिन क्वेश्चन और सस्पेंशन, नहीं तो adjournment motion. ऐसा कैसे चलेगा? उनको क्वेश्चन और नहीं चाहिए.
A complaint has now been lodged against the controversial minister.
I have got registered this complaint today before the Tilaknagar police station under section 153A. There is a typographical error of 153B and C have been mentioned. It is actually 153A, 295A and section 500 IPC.
The agenda of the opposition party is loud and clear. But with key legislation stalled over the issue, the government certainly needs a game changer. With Sneha in Delhi, Madhusudan for Times Now.